Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create the sticky header on your WordPress website. Alright, this is my website and you can see when I scroll it down, so header will be disappeared. Okay, but I want to stick it on the top, so while I scrolling, I can see the total header on the top. Okay, so for this, what I should do now? First of all, go to the plugins, click on add plugin and search sticky. So the first plugin is appeared is sticky header effect for Elementor. Alright, install that plugin and activate it, and after that go to your custom header theme builder, and I already created that header just to show you. For example, this is my header. Alright, I want it sticky, so what should I do? Click on advanced and you can see sticky header effect. Just enable it and give some background color, okay? Like this, and update it, publish it. When you go to your site, you can see when scroll it down, the header will stick on the top. Okay. So this is the easiest and quickest way, and it's all free. Even you can use in just Elementor. You know, don't need to buy the Pro Elementor. Okay. So this is for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.